Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a Boeing special. So I have all the Boeing planes that I own. I'm pretty sure I have all of them that I own in the game selected. We're playing at Gran Canaria so that we can have the most amount of gates, and because it's a level 1, I still have it on level 1. So let's get into the game here. And just so you know, last video was the 1/400th scale airport update Atlanta. It was fictional. It was not real. So if you're saying, oh, it's not real, I put fictional in the title. It is not real. I just used some of the things that I thought would go there. I didn't even use Flight Radar 24, which is what I use as a kind of airplane tracker. So if I do like another airport update, then I'll just use that. But currently, I'm going through some renovations in my bedroom, which is where I record most of my videos. That one was not recorded in my bedroom. Most of my in IRL videos are not in my bedroom. But yesterday, on my other channel, which I'll have a link to in the description, I did a unboxing review on something related to that channel. So if you want to go check out that channel, go ahead. It's about cars, trains, and basically IRL stuff. It's literally a random channel. It's just anything. Just kind of post whatever I want on there. And then I actually have 3 channels now. There's this channel, then I have the random channel, and then I have a fish channel as well, which I have 3 gouramis, and I have 6 snails, which is why I'm pausing right now. Pausing the commentary. I don't know if that's their food, but there's something moving around here. Just like, let me find out what it is. I believe it was just their food. So that's good. I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so go check out the other 2 channels. If you go to my channel, so if you go down in the description, it'll say my ATC videos. Click on that, on the logo, click on that, and it'll take you to my channel page, and you'll see a picture of a Delta CRJ 200. And I did take that picture with the phone I'm recording on. So yeah, and I was just taken at a regional airport. That was pretty darn far north. Pretty far north of where I live. But yeah. And then you scroll down, and I don't know really how it's set up. I haven't really gone on it or anything. But if you go to channels, it'll have the channels I'm subscribed to. The 2 channels are Jenny's Random Channel and Fish Channel. Subscribe to those 2. And you can get fish content, car content, train content. You can get basically everyday content. You also can get just other things. Uno, game of Uno. And then I also have done other things, like RC cars was on there. Because my friend, he is the owner of My Random Hobbies. That's his channel's name, so go subscribe to him. He's been my friend for five years. Yeah, I think it's been 5 years now. We've been friends for a long time. Yeah, so go check out his channel. It would help him a lot. He really wants to grow his channel, just like me. But go help him out. I want to see him get 5 more subscribers by August 31st. So the end of next month, August 31st, 2020, I want to see him at 5 more subscribers at least. But, yeah, just go help him out. It'll also help me out, because he'll be happy, and, yeah, just go help him out. Go do that. Go help him out. Then, on this channel, he does a whole lot of RC stuff on his channel, just so you know. And then I ran my big boy steam locomotive on his layout as well in one of his videos. But going back to this channel, I'll be doing more of the airport updates. Because currently right now I had a 4x8 piece of plywood table in the middle of my room. Just recently we took that out, and that will be going out into our shed, our backyard, and I'll be using that as an airport. I will kind of do what Aviation 18 is doing with Dulles. If you watch him, you'll know what I mean, where he's making all the runners. I'll just use, some paint from just, home improvement store, like Menards or Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. Just get the stuff in there, and then paint it on the piece of plywood. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I will probably do a building kind of series like he's doing with it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll find out in the future. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this channel. I know what I'm gonna do with one of my other channels. Because I've already got things planned for it. And then, well, I have one thing planned for this channel, and that is monthly uploads for it. I just recently got a calendar. I know it took me a long time to get a calendar, but now I have an upload schedule. On this day, every month, I will have it written down to upload on this channel, and I'll try to. And I will say the month before if there might be a delay or something like that, or if it might come early or something like that. And I might do community posts, but I have to have a certain amount of subscribers for that. But once I get the amount of subscribers for that, then I'll do it. And then I will also notify you if I'm doing an unboxing soon, or if I've ordered something. I'll tell you. And then I'll also tell you when I'm gonna be doing a project or something like that for the channel. But yeah, this channel is going to be my most, basically, my biggest channel. It's gonna have the most videos, it's gonna have the most, views, it's gonna have the most, yeah, well, it's not gonna be for sure the most views and that kind of thing, but it's gonna have the most amount of videos. It may not have the most viewed, subscribed, or anything like that, but it's going to be my, like, biggest channel. It's basically my main channel. And that's because planes are basically my favorite thing. They are actually my second favorite thing, and that is below my pets. Of course, pets are like family to you. And tomorrow I'll have a video about my pets on my other channel. So I'll probably put a link to that video in the description. I am not sure. I'm not really sure about anything at this point with it, but yeah. But if you don't see a link in the description, then just go subscribe to my other two channels and you'll get notified when it is uploaded. And then, yeah, so, alright, next month, guess the International Space Station is about to fly over my house. But like I was saying, next month the video will most likely be a 1/400th scale, 1/400th scale collection video, like all of my planes that I have. Most likely I'll be showing you the boxes because some of them are broken because I've had some of them for 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 years now. So just be prepared. Prepared that there'll be some broken ones. And yeah, but next month will be a collection video. And then the month after that, I think I'll do another special. Because this one's the Boeing special. Then I think I'm going to do the Airbus A330 special. I did the A340 special, so go check out that video. Go to my channel, like I said for the other channels. Yeah, and watch that video. It would be, I'm pretty sure, no, wait, the 2 videos ago, not the last video, but the video before that is the A340 special. And then last video was the airport update, fictional. And then this video is the A3 or Boeing special. And the next video, a collection video. So that's basically the schedule for next month. And then next month I'll probably tell you what I'll be doing next month. So that's just kind of how it's gonna go. You're gonna get updated once monthly. So if you wanna learn what is happening earlier, if you want to find out the fastest and be the first comment on the video, if you're the first comment on my video, I'll subscribe to your channel. If you are the first comment on my channel, on my next video, I'll subscribe to your channel. So be sure to go down and hit that subscribe button so that you can be the first to get notified of my new video. And if you are the first to get notified of my video, then be sure to click on the video and click that comment and quickly go down and comment so you can get a subscription from me. So, do that and you'll be great. You'll be fine. And you'll gain a subscription. Heck, I'll give you a shout out. If you are the first comment in my next video, I will give you a shout out. So be sure to go down and subscribe and like the video in order to get notified fast about the next video and be the first to comment. Then you'll get a shout out and oh my gosh, and you'll also get a subscription from me. So yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Just quickly before I tell you something. We have a Mayday now. That is not very good. But I want one of you guys to go down and count how many times I say subscribe in this episode. Go down and comment how many times I say comment and how many times I say subscribe in this video. Every single time. Do a counter. They'll give you a shout out. Because I'll counter as well. But I'll give you a shout out if you get the correct number or if you get close to the number. I'll give you a shout out in the next video. So yeah, be sure to do that. Alright, I will pause for just a second. I have to go ahead and turn off my light real quickly, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Alright, I'm now back. Sorry, it's voice command, so, yeah. Oh no. Ah. Oh my gosh. God, you can't push them back. Is it going down more? Jeez. Don't go down, please. Okay, good. There we go. Got the brightness to stay. Let's watch the Southwest emergency here. In silence, by the way, just so you can admire it. Alright, we are now about to finish up the video. I'm about to wrap up the video. We're at the 21-minute mark now. So yeah, we'll be wrapping it up pretty soon. So yeah. We'll get some of these out. And yeah. I'll get these 3 out of the airport, I believe. We'll try and get as many out of the airport. Okay, so after this TAM takes off, then I'll finish up the video. And excuse me. Sorry. This video will be the first of a consecutive day upload. That may be changed around and that kind of thing because school will be starting in a matter of weeks now. So I'll have to go back to school, but I'll see what they're gonna do because of COVID and all that, so I'll have to see. But anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And leave a comment. And I don't really have to tell you guys yet, but I'm just gonna say, don't leave any mean comments or anything like that, okay? Don't leave any mean comments, don't be rude, don't send any links, okay? Don't send any links to other things. I mean, you can promote your stuff, that's fine. If you leave a link to a YouTube channel, that's fine. But, I will read every single one of your comments, and I will try to respond to every single one. So, yeah, be sure to comment down below, and I will try to get to it as fast as I possibly can. So, yeah. And cue the effects of editing. Now, just kidding. I'll now be editing my actual videos. I tried it out with my video yesterday, which some of you might be subscribed to that channel, some of you might not, but that'll be on one of my other channels. I actually use subtitles, so I'll be using that again in this video, so you'll actually be able to see some subtitles throughout the video. So yeah, but hope you enjoyed. Like I said, subscribe for more content. And be sure to be the first commenter on next video. If you are, good job. You're gonna get a shout out and a subscription. So, you better not miss that. But my random hobbies, if you are the first commenter, then it will be the second commenter. But I already gave him a shout out. So if I've already given you a shout out, then you will not be getting another one. I will just put a link to this video in the reply to that video. If you want to, you can go through that and yada yada yada. But yeah, so you'll be getting a shout out, second commenter or first commenter, depending on who the first commenter is. But be the first to comment and hit that subscribe button, because I believe it was 95.2% of you aren't subscribed. So be sure to subscribe. if you aren't subscribed, then you won't get notified of new content. If you don't get notified of new content, then you won't be able to watch any more of my videos on time. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon next to it, and make sure the subscribe button is gray. And I'll see ya in the next video.